lumbar disc bulge exercises and stretches. Exercise number 1, piriformis stretch. Begin lying on your back with your knees bent and feet positioned flat on the floor. Place your ankle over the knee. Use your hands or a band to pull the thigh towards your chest and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat on the other leg. Aim for 3 repetitions on each side. Exercise number 2, knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back with your legs extended and back straight. Keep your hips level and your lower back down on the floor. Bend your right knee and hug your knee towards your chest. Then breathe deeply and hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. Now relax and lower the knee to starting position. Exercise number 3, both knees to chest stretch. For your safety, start doing the knees to chest stretch with one leg only. If after a few days you are performing it without pain, it is likely time to advance to lifting both the legs. The next exercise is bridging. Bridging exercise is most commonly used in the patients complaining from the low back pain, and it has many benefits as it improves the proprioception in lumbar spine. Researchers also find that prone bridging is more effective in activating back muscles in patients with low back pain. The technique: lie down with the back flat, knees bent. Now lift the pelvis as shown in the video. Aim for 10 repetitions. Next exercise is half cobra pose. It creates spinal extension, helping push the nucleus jelly back towards the center and reduces the disc bulging. To begin this exercise, by lying on your stomach prone position and slowly prop yourself on your elbows. Hold the prop up position for 10 to 15 seconds before returning to the prone position. Now gradually increase to holding the end position for 30 seconds. Aim for 10 repetitions of this stretch. The full cobra pose creates even more spinal extension than half cobra, helping push the nucleus jelly back towards the center. To do this exercise, lie on the ground with your hands flat on the floor. Slowly push your hands to raise your shoulder off the ground until you feel stretch. Aim for 5 repetitions. The cat-cow pose. With your palms underneath the shoulders and your knees underneath the hip, take a deep breath in and begin to enter the cat position. This is where you arch your spine as high as you can. Exhale and enter the cow position. Draw your belly button towards the floor and look forward. You should resemble the hanging belly of a cow. Hold the cow position for 2 counts. Continue to alternate between cat and cow position slowly. Sciatic nerve flossing. Sit in a chair with the back support with your knees at 90 degrees and feet on the ground. Gently stretch the affected leg forwards as you simultaneously recline your neck backwards. Stretch your leg only to the point where the pain is bearable. Aim for 10 repetitions. Seated pigeon stretch. Sit upright in a chair. Cross the right ankle over the left knee. Now bend forward to feel the stretch. Aim for 3 repetitions. Seated piriformis stretch. While sitting in a chair, cross your leg with the ankle of one foot on the knee of the other. Next, pull the top knee upwards towards your opposite shoulder for a stretch. Repeat this exercise for 5 times and hold for 20 seconds in each set. Stretching and strengthening a tight or weak piriformis muscle has been found to reduce or alleviate this type of generalized pain. Self hamstring stretch. Lie on your back with the knees bent. Raise your one leg upwards by holding with your hands until you feel a stretch. Now hold this position for 10 seconds. The benefits of flexible hamstring is you will be able to perform everyday activities like climbing stairs, lifting or bending over with greater ease. The next exercise is abdominal rowing maneuver. Lie on your back, bend your knees, contract your stomach muscles, that is abdominal muscles. Hold for 5 seconds and release. Perform this for 3 sets with 20 repetitions. The next exercise is planks. Begin lying on your stomach with your forearms against the mat. Engage your core, tuck your tailbone and lift your body so that you are resting on your forearms and toes. Start with 10 seconds holds and work up to 30 seconds in 2 to 3 sets. Aim for 2 to 5 repetitions of this exercise. When you are ready, increase the intensity by increasing the time you hold the plank. Alternate hand and leg raise. Start on all your fours. Reach your one arm forward while stretching your opposite leg back. Hold for 5 seconds, then release both your arm and opposite leg. Repeat this for 10 to 15 repetitions.